that emotion that is evoked, that is really energy in a particular type of form. So we could convert that form and transmute it into something a little more productive.
So with that, do you believe in life after death?
That's a deep philosophical question. That requires a whole
Give me the Cliff Notes.
The cliff note. I think we all exist infinitely and eternally. So some aspect of our being, of our essence, but our physical formation, right, changes. It's temporal, but there's certain aspect of ourselves that is actually eternal. So and it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless. You have to have life and death. So you have to exist eternally to exist temporal. Things are dualistic. Wherever you find one polarity, there's a polar. Wherever you find one form, there's a polarity, there's a polar bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. Intensity determines the distance at which the accelerator. Presupposition and supposition is not the same. Presupposition is a state or assume beforehand.